Did you know that even a small mistake like using a little bit more concrete than needed can cost your factory thousands of dollars? In hollow core slab production, being precise isn't just about quality, it's about saving money and running a more efficient factory. Concrete is one of the biggest expenses in your production. If your slabs are even 1 millimeter thick than it should be, you'll end up using more concrete than needed. Over months of production, this small difference can turn into hundreds of cubic meters of concrete wasted, which means a huge increase in costs. Using too much concrete also means your slab takes longer to cure, slowing down the production line. If your factory has limited capacity, this can lead to fewer slabs being produced each day, resulting in less product to sell and slower project timelines. In a competitive market, controlling your cost is critical. Wasting concrete even slightly eats into your profits. When you stick to precise measurements, you protect your margins and make your business more efficient. To ensure precision, plan and design every slab carefully using software tools that reduce waste, of course. Invest in reliable machines that produce slabs at the exact thickness needed and reduce human error. Run regular quality checks during production. Small adjustments can save you a lot of money over time. Finally, train your team to maintain precision and understand its importance. Precision might sound like a small detail, but it's actually the key to saving money and staying ahead in the market. Even millimeters saved means less waste, faster production, and higher profits. In the next lessons, we'll look at more ways to make your factory efficient and profitable.
If you are somebody serious about starting a precast factory, you should visit the Precast Summit in Goa, the link of which is in the bio. If you do not want to attend that, let us know what you want us to answer in the comment section below, and we'll try our best to answer every question in a video or in the comment section itself.